10 tips for packing up your classroom. Tip number 1 for you. If you're changing things, take it all down. Tip number 2. Go through supplies. If you don't use it in a while, purge it. Give it to other teachers that are in need. Tip number 3. Take down any go through stuff. Go through resources. If it didn't work, then you don't need to do it next year. Tip number 4. Make sure you label your name and room number in case if they do decide. Your name is right on there. Tip number 4. Tip number 5. Much better? Tip number 6. Don't work yourself over the summer. Tip number 7. Make a running label list of stuff and the stuff that you need for over the summer. Tip number 7. Read books. Tip number 8. If stuff doesn't fit in your cabinet, box it and bring it home. Tip number 8. Donate some stuff to people. Tip number 9. If you're allowed to set up right after, do that, and then for the last month, have it for your time and energy. For the little, like vacations and stuff. That's what I'm doing this summer, and it's working my stress level. Tip number 10 is the last tip. Make sure your room is all cleaned up, whiteboards are clean, and stuff, because the janitors, that's not their job. It's yours. Some schools that's allow you to leave it dirty, and the janitors they just make it fresh and new. You guys got me? So this is done. I'm going to end it here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell anytime I post a new video. As always, thank you. Don't forget to think positive and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for all the way watching end of this video and supporting my YouTube right up here. Right. All the social media sites, Teachers Pay Teachers, Pinterest are in this description, and I'll catch you in the next one.